Hello teachers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you trust me, don't plan another class project before watching this video. My name's Alex, I'm a full-time English teacher and I would love to share tips on how to use technology in your classes. Have you ever wanted to have a project with your class but then you didn't really know how to share Google Slides with them? I have an answer for you. QR codes. Yes, believe me, this is going to save so much time in your classes. If you like watching my videos, please subscribe right here. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notification every time I post a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code to share your project easily with your classes in 6 steps. So you are going to start on Google Drive. Step 1, you have to create a project folder in Google Drive. So here's my project folder as a demo, and inside you have group 1, group 2, group 3, all the projects, slides. You can prepare them at home before the project so that the students just have to fill in the slides. Step 2, make the folder shareable. So you right click on the folder, click share, get shareable link, and make sure so anyone with the link can edit. Now copy link, and that's all for Google Drive. Step 3, go on qr-code-generator.com and paste. Step 4, click on the create QR code, no frame, you can change the color if you want. You have black, brown, green, yellow, blue, orange,
but you don't have to.
Step 5, click on download and wait a few seconds, and there you go. Step 6, open a Word document or a page document and insert the image of your QR code, copy it multiple times to fill in the page, and all you have to do is print it out, cut it out in class, and give one to each group. Once you've done all of those steps, you can just use your phone or iPad or tablet. Open the QR code reader, place the QR code in frame, and voila. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. If you like the tutorial, please comment with your favorite emoji. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified of my upcoming videos. Oh, and just so you know, I will try to post 3 videos per week starting next week.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my videos right here. And you can check out my other videos here and here.
Thank you again for watching and see you next time. Bye.